Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have 3 really cute Valentine's Day decor DIYs to share with you. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click the bell button to be notified every time I upload a new video. And I do post videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays at 7 p.m. Eastern. All right guys, let's begin with the DIYs. DIY number 1, just taking this galvanized metal heart that I picked up from the Dollar Tree last year. I know they have more of these this year, maybe not with the gnomes on it. Anyway, just removing the decor on the galvanized metal. And I'm just going to use the heart as is. I do love gnomes, but it's not really part of my decor. Anyway, just taking this other galvanized metal heart from the Dollar Tree. This came out this year. I was originally going to use it as a tier tray, but I'm going to use it in this DIY. And remember, everything is always customizable. I could just take this apart later and use it in another DIY if I wanted to. Just taking some of this gorgeous scrapbook paper from the Dollarama. It was $2 per pack. I just love the paper because it was so vintage, and I love this pink floral one with a little bit of the lace detail in the back. Just cutting out the shape of the heart and just going to use my glue stick to attach it in the center. And I'm just going to hot glue it to the other heart. Now, I find with my new fine-tipped glue gun, the glue does cool a lot faster once you apply it. So you really have to work fast in this situation, especially if you are working on a larger surface. Anyway, I'm just taking these really cute rattan hearts. This was from the Dollarama, 4 for $2. So they are a little bit more expensive, but they are super cute and very versatile. So I'm just removing the lace already on it, but I'm still going to use it because I want to reattach it through the existing hole of the galvanized heart. So you see me here just adjusting the length. I just want the rattan heart to look like it is dangling. Just to give the rattan heart a little extra support to look like it is dangling, I'm just taking some of this double-sided foam tape. This just gives a little bit of height to the surface that you're working on. So I'm just going to add it to the back of the rattan heart. I'm just showing you this part. As a crafter, you guys know sometimes our DIYs fall apart, so we just have to re-glue it. So I'm just taking some of this gorgeous sticker ribbon that I did pick up from the Dollarama. It was a 2-pack for $2, so it's a little bit more expensive, but super cute, super handy, and the fact that it's like a tape, you don't even have to hot glue it. I am just using this to go around the edge of the galvanized heart. I had just enough to go around the heart because I have already used this lace in a previous DIY, so I'm glad I was able to get 2 projects out of the 1 roll of ribbon. And once that is all done, I didn't show you the next part, but I just took a new piece of jute twine and added it to the existing holes of the large heart, so that way I can hang it up on the wall again. Now, this is it. What did you guys think? I think it looks so cute, so vintage. I just love the pink, the galvanized metal. Like I said, this is all customizable as well, so let me know what you think. All right, moving on to DIY number 2. So I'm just taking one of these wood panel boxes or shadow boxes from the Dollar Tree. I did pick this up last year. I do know they have them again this year. So I'm just removing the packaging and I'm going to just paint the exterior of it pink. I'm just taking some of the pink and the white, mixing it together just to make it a lighter pink. And I'm going around all the edges. You don't have to go on the inside because I am going to be putting a picture in there in a second. So I'm just taking using one of these gorgeous cards from the Dollar Tree. This was last year. I think they might have it this year. I know Dollar Tree always comes out with gorgeous cards for every single holiday or occasion. I just loved the sayings on this, all about love, and it is super cute. And I just wanted to display it out on our coffee table. So the inside of the box measured 12 by 12 inches. So I'm just taking my Fisker paper cutter and I'm going to cut out the exact size of the shadow box. Now, you will have to adjust it as you go. It might be a little bit too big to fit on the inside. So just keep adjusting it until it fits the inside of the box. And all I'm going to continue doing for this DIY is just using my glue stick to attach the picture. You could use your hot glue gun as well. I just personally liked the glue stick in this situation, so that way I knew there wasn't going to be any bubbles or bumps or whatnot. So again, this DIY is super simple, but so effective. I just love the inside of this card. I think it's so gorgeous. What it says is so meaningful, and I cannot wait to display this on my coffee table. I'm going to show you that with this DIY all together at the end of the video. So this, again, super simple DIY. You guys know Dollar Tree came out with these gorgeous candles this year, so I'm going to use it in this DIY. These wooden love letters I got from Amazon last year. I did paint them pink and made them into these Valentine ornaments. I did display them on a tree last year. I do have a video that I can leave in the description box. So what I'm going to do is just use the exact same thing. Again, you can customize this, make it any color you want. I'm just going to reattach some longer jute twine. Now I'm just showing you here. I have an existing bag of scrap yarn and jute twine, so I know I can always use those if I need to. So just rethreading the love and the two wooden beads into this jute twine, and I'm going to wrap it around the top of the candle. So again, guys, the candle itself is not a DIY. It is so beautiful just the way it is, but you can always customize it with your own personal crafting touches like I did here. Here is the two displayed together on this tray that I also made from the Dollar Tree. It is one of those picture frames, and I just painted it and put some wooden craft paper in the inside and added wooden legs to it as well. So what do you guys think of these cute Valentine's Day decor DIYs? That is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, I am doing new videos now on Wednesdays and Saturdays at 7 p.m. Eastern. I would love it if you guys could hit that subscribe button and click the bell button to be notified every time I upload a new video. I would love to have you guys part of my YouTube world. That is it. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you guys later. Bye.